Hey y'all, G's Vintage Fan Shed here today with another ceiling fan video. And today we're going to be demonstrating a Craftmade Builder's Award ceiling fan in pure white finish, I believe. I don't know, it's some random white Craftmade thing, but this is in the sunroom of our house. And this, I don't know what's going to happen to this fan. I just know that it is going to be here for the time being that I know of. I don't know, may end up staying because it goes with the room, but I don't know. But I do know this yellow is going to be repainted. Anyway, enough of the jibber jabber. Let's get started. Here's the light. And we will start it up on low. So, it is a very good performing fan. I cleaned it 2 or 3 days ago, I think. I don't remember, but it was installed sometime in 2005, so if I had to guess, because that was when the house was completed, I believe. The fans, I'm gonna assume, were probably bought before the house was finished, so probably around 2004-ish, maybe. I don't know, but here's low. I'm gonna turn the light off, it's giving me a headache. Here's medium. And this does really good for the room. I really like this fan being here. But yeah, when we first, for the longest time, this light was actually most of the way unscrewed, so it flopped around on it. Here's high. Just the light again. So. So this is being recorded on my new phone, which is an iPhone 13. So, and here's off. We'll do a somewhat spin down. And that is it. Alright, bye.